2005 Jeep Wrangler to take a look at here at Unique Specialty in Classics. Actual mile vehicle, 75,340 approximately on it right now. We'll check that odometer out, start it up, let you hear it running in a bit. But first, let's take a look at the front end of this vehicle. You can see already set up with the tow bar, so it's ready to flat tow. The tried and true reliable 4-liter inline 6 underneath the hood. 6-speed manual transmission paired up with a power steering, power brakes. As you can see, shiny red paint. Check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. If you're seeing this one on YouTube, that's going to take you right to our website where you can see all the still pics. You'll be able to see the underside, the interior, engine bay. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Riding on BF Goodrich mud terrain TAs, and you can see a lot of tread left on those. Nice wheel and tire setup. And you can also see paint shows well. You might have a touch-up spot here or there. But overall, hey, it's an 05 Jeep. It's been driven a little bit. Like I said, paint still shows well, and there's some graphics on it. Interior, cloth, two-tone gray, bucket seats up front, center console. So we'll come with the soft top, and the bimini top. I did leave the rear window open so you can see, of course, it has the rear seating area, and that will fold up. In the still pictures, you're gonna be able to see the floor pans with the floor mats out. You'll be able to see the back door open. So check out those still pictures. You can also remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. See a receiver hitch on the rear, so we'll do a little towing. If you're into Jeeps, maybe off-roading, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase, whether it be online or right off our showroom floor. Technician noted the brakes in this vehicle are 70% or better, all 4 corners. And we're going to start it up, let you hear it run. We'll take a peek underneath the hood. We'll also take this for a drive, so don't forget, Jason will take it for a drive at the end, show you how it goes down the road. We'll set the camera up in it, kind of take you for a virtual ride, if you will. So you can see fabric, seating surfaces. I've not really noticed any rips, tears, major holes. Tilt column, I mentioned it has floor mats, and then also the kind of Indian blanket underneath it. We have pictures with those out too, so you'll be able to see the floor pans from the inside and the still pictures. Let's go ahead, check out these exact miles. I also want to start it up for you. Has a Kenwood aftermarket stereo system in it. There's your exact miles, 75,340. And again, paired up with a 6-speed manual transmission, power steering, power brakes. No check engine light, service engine light, soons, anything like that on. A little custom kind of carbon fiber look dash. That red and black theme coming through the inside. Did notice this has a sound bar, as you can see there. You'll be able to see the rear seating area in the still pictures also. I guess this one sounds about like any other 4-liter I've heard, and again, that's that tried and true inline 6, nice and torquey and reliable, and not bad mileage at all either. Sounds good, like you'd expect. And remember, like I said, check the still pictures out. You're going to see that bimini top, 2-top, soft top, and bimini top. So check that out in the still pictures. I'm going to pause this a second. Let's get this hood open, check out that engine bay. We'll wrap up the walk around, but stick around for the driving. Underside of the hood, and there it is. Pretty stock looking, what you'd expect. As you can see, power brakes, mentioned power steering right here. And of course, the inline six. Sounds good, looks good. Runs smooth, nice and tidy underneath there. And ready to flat tow if you need it. 2005 Jeep Wrangler. Call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Actual mile vehicle, a little over 75,000. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 2005 Jeep Wrangler in red with the soft top up today. This is a 6-speed manual transmission. Nice shifting, good clutch feel to this Jeep. Our turn signal indicators are working, our gauges are all working. We have a Kenwood stereo in the dash.
You need to get by Buxton home. That's a big run out there. Cantillo delivers. Breaking ball hit towards third.
We got some baseball on the radio. Good sounding stereo, speaker right above your head, so if you don't have the top on or you're out in the open air, you can still hear it. Our temperature right around 200, and the oil pressure is just over halfway on the gauge. The battery is at 14, which is at halfway point of the gauge. Fuel tank a little over half. Cloth bucket seats in this Jeep. We have an open floor that looks like it's lined with a coating very nicely to keep. So if you get out in the rain or you get to mudding with this thing, if you want to have some fun, you can just remove the floor mats and hose it out. That's a great thing about Jeeps, is they're multifunctional. We got a little traffic here at the roundabout. This showing only 75,339 miles currently. So nice low mile 05 Wrangler. Corners as it should. It doesn't lean too much, even for being a tall vehicle. You don't feel like it's leaning in it. Check out all the pictures and learn more about this Jeep Wrangler at uniqueclassiccars.com.